That is Audiofile 583 LR Home Theater speakers. Looks great. Let's see how they sound.
$100,000 in cash and a Super Bowl ring for display during a players' meeting. Money is meant to reflect what the Saints would earn if they won the Super Bowl in bonuses, and obviously the, ring and.
With him, turns out there is no warrant out for his arrest, so they let him go and he continued to party. Meanwhile, Lady Gaga fined.
Genial, mayores ahorros. Pero si necesita más tiempo para pagarlo,
Eres el amor perfecto, eres lo que yo más quiero. Gracias. Baby, just let it be. It is meant to be.
Sound great. Audiofile Home Theater 583 LR speakers. Thank you for looking. Good luck.